Mbia mano sana mwancho mulia wita senikia Ndizi TV ngo kwa liga naenda semesa ya mangana maya elindengo manye na raya berekago kolekana kura chingongo chionsi inye chensi. Inyora asinsemo chichi mitandao asinsemo ya Facebook na bagotonyara witra Ndizi TV News Digital na baga asinsemo ya YouTube na bagotonyara witra Ndizi TV News asinsemo ya website na bagotonyara witra www.ndizitv.or.ke. Eretari na Fridah Kerubo na Sinsemo Chibiyoro kelio nikotuko tenere Joshua Auta chinga kitoroche abagotukura sensemeli abo basim bagendete kwemurungani kubwatikana no bokurumi obwabere bokwenekiwa anene mono ase okwenyorera chibesa cyabagotu nabo igo umorobilio boko moenia oyo kabeire umuwaziri w'ichisemi Professor George Magoa nigogendete gokolekana anene mono ase umuchio Nairobi ase umusabara ogenderete nabo igo umubere goikigwa ase chinsemo nabo igo chingaki abamenyi kurase county ya Siaya nigo bagendete konyora obokonyi windagera bagendete kurwa amagombabo wochia ase ya mate ya Nyagusira Professor George Magoa nabo campaign yo gutanga abana konyora chimbwa chimbe kurwase ubutumiki bw'imitandao yekerero nigo egenderete ase ababwatani abesokire nabo igo gosemia abana iguru y'ubutumiki bw'imitandao yekerero mwanju muri karansa oike elinde ngomanye asinchira iyo wenye tobasagusika tobasakanyegera kwirana ndasegekege Kerubo elinde ngomanye amange. Ingo chaka Amayia kegima nigongo chakera kuri county ya Kisii asengo kwa manyabuna nigo abagotukurwa sensemo yabo basi bagendete kwemurungani kubwatikana nobokurumi obwabere bokwenekigwa ase baereire ngati baranyara ko bakwenyorera chibesa cyobogotu okwana kurwa sensemo ya samete yegotoka ime yabo basi county ya Kisii nigo babolirie amoncho lyo gokolekana ase chinseme anene mono kurwa ase bali babete bakurwanirira obosibole elinde banyarko bakwenyorera chibese cyo
hawa ambao wanakuja kuchukua pesa za hawa watu wa Mau, hata wale wazemba, hata kama si wa Mau, nimekuja kuwaambia warning. Hii si wakati wa kuja kuchukua pesa za wale watu ambao wanalipwa za uzeeni, alafu mtu mwingine anakuja kudondoa hapa akiambia hawa ati wanunue pesa wapate pesa. Haitawezekana.
Kali nyewe mimi ndio ndiunda serikali. Nikaunda na uchungu. Kwa serikali kawezekana. Kenyatta tulimweka hapa nyumbani hapa kwa nyasha. Ndio. Sasa leo ndio tunafanya nini? Tunakuwa mbaya. Siku tunakuja unapewa kiabu. Ukikula kiabu wewe hataki kuangalia watu.
Hawa wazee wamepigania sana kupata kama ni haki yao, lakini hatujaiona. So tunataka kuangalia leo ili swala lionekane kama linaweza kuwa na matunda au la.
Kama wewe umefikisha miaka 100, hizo pesa zikitoshea hawa ambao wamefikisha miaka 100 au miaka 90, ziweze kutolewa kulingana na miaka. Iwe ni policy program, ni policy framework ambayo itasaidia baadhi ya kwa sababu wengi wao wako zaidi ya miaka 70.
Sisi waende tukumbuke wala ambao tuliteseka kwa msituni. Pilo naona hawa mama na wase hata wengine wapati ile pesa wase wanasumbuka tu. Hawana kitu.
Emerobelio yoko moenia Nyagusira umuwaziri yokabiri umuwaziri w'ichisemi Professor George Magoa nigo egendete gokolekana ase umusabara obakogo chaka bene imiyumuchi o Nairobi ababisa kurase kyumbe gy'abanyagitari ya KMPDU nigo kyabage kwaligania umubiro yo ase magega yayo obagokoirwa ase University ya Nairobi ase bagendete kumuyinyora ase obokoleri bwaye. Chinga kecho boigo abamenyi korwa sensemo ya Yala imi county ya Siaya nigo bagendete konyora obokonyi windagera asiboigo bagendete korwa amagombabo gochia ase Nyagusira Professor George Magoha oyora bega kwenigwa litukoria Jumamosi gokwana nigo bagokera omurubiri yo ase baerera ogochandeka kwabo kubwatikana no kubura kwindagera chingaki ebintu byakinire gosamagori achire Gesara.
Na siku ya leo tumefurahia kwa sababu serikali ametukumbuka na mchele, tumepata maragwe, mafuta ya kupika na unga ya ugali. Tunashukuru serikali kabisa kwa kutusaidia kumon kifo ya waliyekuwa waziri wa elimu Professor George Magoha Omore.
Kwa leo kenye naweza sema nipige shukrani serikali. Naona ni kizuri ambapo angalau hata kama tunaomboleza kidogo, tumepoteza mkubwa wetu, lakini leo nafurahia vile serikali amefanya, ameletea wale ambao wazee angalau washibe kidogo.
Tumepata chakula ambao serikali imetoa. Tunashukuru sana president yetu. Tunaombea Mungu asidi kukaa na wananchi.
Campaign igoro y'abana gutumika emitandao eyekerero nigo yachakire bene ase abaibuli baburigo ko bamaiso chingaki abana babo bagutumika emitandao iyo abwatani nigo besokire bene magayo kwene kibuna nigo abana bagwesomya chimbwa chimbe kurase emitandao eyekerero.
Sadly, that is happening to our children, and some of them make money out of it, which is an area that we need to deal with, especially when we are looking at poverty in the country and beyond. So children are not necessarily safe while they're in there, and it is important for us to build their values so they know even as they deal in the internet platforms, they're able to keep themselves safe and benefit really from internet. Yeah. It is a delicate balance, all right, because as I had said earlier, internet is actually a lifesaver. In many ways, you can access information faster, you can communicate better, you can do a lot on the internet. But at the same time, using the same platforms, the child is also exposed to some things they should not be exposed to, they can be taken advantage of as well. And so the balance here is to build their value system so that even as they engage with understanding, they know how to keep themselves safe and to truly experience internet positively for them and the future as well, because I believe as we continue, it's going to be even more accessible. So tech is not going anywhere. It's only going to get better and perhaps even more technical as we see the
Waziri bobulendi waime Kithure Kindiki nigo arurege kurege tindi gochia ase abaingi ase aene kiribuna nigi getambukiro kira chikoimukigwa kebwenerete anigo abagako yaenekia chingaki atwara etaro ya eme county ya Laikipia seboigo agania abanyanyimbo kubwaterana nabagambi iligo kiania obosali boigo nigo abagako yaenekibuna nigo eserikali yaberege kubeka emerobeli ya bene asogo kiani obosali asegwikira bono igani go basali babere boga kiana asekerengo ya 13.5 igoro yemia.
Changamoto letu hapa Nyandarua concerning security ni maneno ya kukosa gari za polisi. Tafadhali tuangalilie hiyo.
We have been able in the last 3 months to reduce crime statistics from 8,100 to 7,100, which is a reduction of 13.5%. So we want the same way, we have a national reduction which we want to sustain in the region, in the county, in sub-counties and everywhere until the sublocation. We want to work towards reduction of crime statistics.
Omugavana we county ya Kirinyaga Anne Waiguru bonanigo abolire aboncherera abechinyumba cyo kwegokia gwakana ebango ase aenekibuna ase emyaka ebere ya itiretibanya gwakana okwana nigo aererabuna nigo baganire gwakana ebangeyo ase babwate lideni lye chimilioni 100 eyemo ase abagoika omutinyo gatano gwakana chibese cyo ase boigo aenekibuna kibuno nyambago chugwakana nigo baraba gusiekererwa obonchereria bwabo.
Kwa hivyo tunaomba, na watu wa Kirinyaga wamesema hao wenye bar owners kama wanabiashara wale wengine walipe ushuru, watu wa Kirinyaga waweze kujitegemea. Na wasipolipa tutafunga hizo bars. Hatuna maneno mawili. Na usiseme ati kwingine kuko na bei nafuu. Unajua kuna mtu amekulazimisha kufungua biashara yako hapa Kirinyaga. Ukiona baa zinafanya vizuri kaunti nyingine, unaweza kwenda huko ufungue baa yako huko. Lakini Kirinyaga iko na county assembly, na county assembly imepitisha sheria, na hiyo sheria ndio sisi tuna.
Abagavana bono nigo bakanire ebango yabetege kubekwa ne serikali ya mache ase bali kurwa ebango y'ekisenti 50 ase yabetege gokinirwa goika chishiringinye ase kira elita gukwana imyaka kamega. Omugavana Fernandez Baraza nigo aberega kwene kibina ebange yo ne nyinge nabo igo nigo erachikoira ni obonchereria magega.
There is no way we can spur economic growth when water is expensive. So the tariff that is proposed are from 5 cents to 5 shillings per cubic meter. We as the Council of Governors, we are going to issue a comprehensive statement next week so that at least we challenge the Ministry of Water and the national government to look at the proposed tariff, because it's going to be very punitive to an age.
So the government has pronounced itself that it is increasing the tariff. We have said that now there is a lacuna from our well-learned friends, because we are only licensed to collect 50 cents. So the other 4 shillings and 50 cents, it means that the government has to go back and ensure there is a mechanism where all the tariffs of utilities are changed to reflect.
Haba orokia kurwa se kiumbe gianat wano nigo bai murungani kubwatikana nobo koleri wikiumbe giokulika balimu TSC askelia bagotea nigo banyoliru koba amabaga kunganya kurwa se skuro yamo wochia ase eyende ukwana nigo babulire kiumbe kiogotegerera amagani yabo napigo gotuara obokoleri obuya.
It's a responsibility of the Teacher Service Commission to recruit all the teachers. We want to demand as a branch of Kenya National Union of Teachers that we want to appeal and demand to the Teacher Service Commission to move with minimum delay but maximum speed to recruit all the teachers locals of West Pokot are in Trans Nzoia and Uasin Gishu, Nandi and Elgeyo Marakwet with immediate effect. We don't want to see a scenario whereby we are being given some conditions.
Togosoa asensemo yechigosori etimu ya Shabana FC nigegendete kwerobelia ase chigosori chia bono mugaso asipara chigwaka gosori eyo na timu ya Ibere Black Stars imeyomochi o Nairobi.
Against Ibere Black Stars ni timu zile ukiangalia ukiona vile rekodi yao pia wana rekodi nzuri, wameshinda mechi zao. Sisi kama timu ya Shabana tuko pale juu, tungetaka sana zile timu zenye zinatufuata pengine zisitushinde, kwa sababu zikitushinda then itaonyesha wametukaribia na itatupatia pressure ambapo itatuletea panicking na tutaweza kosa kufanya zile vitu nzuri tumekuwa tukifanya. So kivyovyote vile tunajaribu kujipanga kiasi ya kwamba tufanye makosa chache sana ile uzuri ndio ikue kwa wingi kusudi tuweze kushinda game.
Taka hizo points 3 na whoever atachukua hizo point 3 atakuwa na plus, because both of us tunataka promotion, na vile last season ilikuwa hata wanajua. Last season nilichukua point 3 akachukua 3 kwake, na anajua vizuri akichukua hizi 3 atakuwa pale. But mimi pia namheshimu Shabana is a good team. They've been in KPL some years back, so respect is there, but I don't fear them. Sisi wagopa, lakini nawaheshimu sana, na ningependa Shabana pia kwa one of the promoted teams come this season alongside Black Star. Hii mwaka ndio mwaka yetu. Anybody na approach mafans naambia hii ndio mwaka yetu. Atuwachie mtu yote hii promotion. Hii slot ya kwanza na pili lazima tukue among them. Juu Black Stars tumeka for 8 years. Na tumekuwa tukikaribia hapo tunashuka tukaribia hapo, lakini this time nimekuwa well prepared na I'm very optimistic I will make it come this season.
Mwanche muligereria kurwa soro batiro ni onaikire omweli obwa mangana maya asevire biga kurende ngo sabato basakato basakonyegera ekoraga Chinsa 10 ayona mange ningo yaletere asenchira yobwenye nyora Chinsa machiche mitandao asensema ya Facebook na bakatonyara gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital na baga sensema ya YouTube na bakatonyara gwetera Ndizi TV News asensema ya website na bakatonyara gwetera www.ndizitv.or.ke maiga chikamera soko ne kibna ebicha na boigo eliogiria gwikira sole asenchira ya bene nere Abigail Nyanchama tobe tukubwatenere Joshua Auta asinse mochibi orokerelia nenchelia ne Fridah Kerubo nko kuganilia obuligerelia obia.